Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash. And in today's video, I'll be comparing two exceptional applications. One is the market leader in the virtual numbers for the past 8 years, I guess. This application, TextNow, has been the market leader for the virtual applications before 2023 for the past 8 years. This is the most famous application in the virtual number field. This application actually provides you free virtual numbers. As you can see over here, they give you free unlimited calling and texting, and they also give you a free local phone number of either the US or Canada phone numbers for free. The international callings are comparatively cheap in this application, etc. The second application which we are going to look at is the TextMe application. As you can see, this is the TextMe application. This application actually also provides you with a real phone number of either the US or Canada, and they offer you unlimited text and calls. They also offer you few more features, but the only catch is that this application is not entirely free like the TextNow application. I mean, after the TextNow update of 2023, few features are made paid even in the TextNow application. If you want to learn more which and all the features were changed from free to paid in the TextNow application, then go watch this video. And if you want to learn more about the update, go watch the previous video which I showed you. The video's link will be in the description or the first comment. I'll pin the first comment. So guys, before exiting this video, just go check out the comment section. There you would find more informative videos which will help you to get what you desire. Okay, so guys, before moving on to the video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button near to subscribe button, so that you could get our daily updates about the tech world, and also you could get all the solutions to the most common problems. And folks, if you have something which you would like to tell to me, and if you are facing few problems in the technology related stuffs, such as how to get a free virtual permanent number, or how to make money using Brave, these are the few of the suggestions which I got from my Protech Genius audience, and I made videos on them. So if you have few suggestions that you would like to say to me, and if you would like a few videos on few topics, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you with the problems which you're facing, and I'd be glad to make new videos on the topics which you suggest, as this channel is entirely for its audience. In this case, it's going to be the Protech Genius audience. So guys, right now I think I have covered all the introduction about my channel. So let's just not waste any more time, and let's just straightly dive into the video of the ultimate comparison between TextNow and TextMe. Okay. Number one, if we look at the problems which arises in TextNow, previously before 2023 there were very few problems, so you could just disregard the problems. But right now, after 2023's update of TextNow, there are mainly 4 problems which arises from the TextNow application. The 4 problems are going to be the TextNow sign up problem, which actually shows you this error: TextNow is unavailable in your country, so you would not be able to use this application outside the US or Canada. For example, right now I'm from India. I would not be able to use this application from India. But there are a few ways with which we could solve it. But guys, yeah, I have posted how to solve the problems in a video, and I'll leave this video's link in the description. If you want to use the TextNow application, as it's the free one, TextMe is a paid one, then go please watch this video in order to solve all the 4 problems which arises in the TextNow application. Okay, this video's link will be also in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the first comment. In the first comment, the first video's link will be this video, so just go check it out. The second error is the installation error. When you try to install the TextNow application from the Google Play Store or the iOS Store, you would be shown this error: this app isn't available in Google Play Store in your region. This error is also solvable. Okay, next, the third error is going to be an error has occurred. This error occurs when you're trying to choose your local phone number using an area code, such as in this example I have tried a 786. but there are local codes. For example, New York's local code 315. When I try to choose a phone number from that local area, it'd be shown this error, so I'll not be able to get a phone number. Without getting a phone number, this application is useless. Okay, so the next fourth and final error is going to, your account has been disabled error. Just imagine you actually successfully solve all the three errors and finally make an account, but after 2 to 3 days your account is going to get disabled and you would not be able to do anything. Even if you submit an appeal, it's not going to help you. So just imagine, after all the hardships you face, your account is going to get disabled. It's gonna, uh, make us furious or something, right? So these are the 4 errors in TextNow application. And now moving back to the TextMe application. As you can see, this application is available in the Google Play Store in my region. I mean, in all the regions. This application has a rating of 3.8 stars. This application, okay, so I actually installed this application, and I personally did not get any errors, and I even got 10 free credits. I used 5 free credits for a message, for this message to my own number. This is my own number. I sent a message hi to my own number, and it cost me 5 credits. Okay, so guys, in the sign up problems and stuffs, if you are located outside the US or Canada, if you would not like to have any problems, then you would need to prefer the text me application. So in the sign up problem, the obvious winner is the TextMe application that TextNow has lost. But the main feature, important comparison is that the TextNow application is entirely free, and I could send, for example, I could send unlimited, I could do unlimited calling and texting within the US and Canada. But using this application, I would have to pay for everything. Just imagine, I would have to pay for each and every credit. 100 credits cost me 190 rupees. 190 rupees is obvious, is going to be $2.10. So this application actually costs you more. So if you are ready to solve the problems and use the application for free, then you would have to choose the TextNow application. So in the ultimate comparison, the obvious winner is going to be, according to me, I would rather solve the errors than pay for this application. So according to me, the obvious winner in this ultimate showdown or comparison was going to be the TextNow application. But you are not, solving those problems requires a lot of effort, and if you are not ready to put in the effort, then you would have to choose the other alternatives, such as TextMe, where you would have to actually pay, but you are not going to face any errors. Okay, so guys, according to me, the winner is going to be the TextNow application, and the TextMe is going to, is not my kind of application. I installed this application just to show you guys about this application, and this video is not actually a paid promotion or anything. This is just a honest review and comparison between the two applications. So guys, if you are still watching this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just go click on the thumbs up button below this video in order to support me and my channel. And if you, like I told before, if you have any suggestions or comments, just leave it in the comment section. You could also contact me personally via my mail or Telegram. It will be in the about section of my channel. And like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. So it could help me and everyone. Okay, so guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. It's going to be tomorrow. So until then, bye.